how much land is out there degraded in the world. And FAO estimated that about 2 billion hectares are degraded. And of those 2 billion hectares, about 900 million could be restored with forest, grassland, soil management, several options, without competing with natural forests, cities, or agricultural land. If we do that, that will be the least cost option that we may have for the next 10, 15 years. It will cost us about $5 to $10 per ton. So with $3 billion investment, we may have 10, 15 years of breathing time. Meaning by that, we will reduce substantially the concentration of CO2 in the atmosphere, and we will gain that time, 10, 15 years, to produce other alternatives in energy and transportation, etc. You know, we are walking to the precipice, and we are walking toward a world that will exceed by far not 1.5, not even 2, but I don't know, 3 or 4 centigrade of average warming to the world. What we are witnessing in this pandemic will be multiplied by 10 or by 100 in terms of the social and economic impact. And so time is running out. What I'm suggesting is that we need badly these 10, 15 years of what I call breathing time to adjust, you know, the negotiators, the economy, the technology. But meanwhile, we will be doing some real mitigation,